Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Today I'm back again with a tennis dress. Yeah, a long tennis dress. Many of you have been asking, tennis dresses. Yes, you can find my videos on YouTube. Just go and subscribe. Search for Batela. On TikTok, just follow me. And also on Facebook, follow me. It's all the way Batela, the chief designer. So let's get into the lessons. So, have you seen? This is my four-yard chitenge on fold. It's on fold. It's a four-yard. It's on fold. It's on fold. So what you have to do is that when you fold it in between, you have to make it in a triangular form, like this. In a triangular what? In a triangular form. So when you make it like this, spray it down. So now let's start what? This is where our front and back is, and this is where our sides, where we put pockets here. This is where we put pockets, where there's demarcation. So this is the arc. It's always the starting point. This is the arc, the starting point. So now the measurement that you need for you to achieve the tennis dress, you need chest, armhole, and the length. Just three measurements: chest, armhole, and the length. So for these measurements, for you to find them, you have to start with the chest. Reason being, because we don't have shoulders. So you need to start with chest. So now the chest, you don't have the location, because if you don't have the shoulders, you won't have the location for what? For the chest. So instead of you searching for the location, search for what? For the size. You get the point, huh? Search for the size. Because location, we move from the shoulders until where the chest is. And the size, we move like this. That's how we move. So search for the size. So here I'm using the measurement of chest is 40. I'm using the measurement of chest 40, armhole 20, also the length of 55. Take note. So here, instead of me searching for the location, I will just use the size. I will divide my chest by 4. I will divide it into 4, whereby I will get a 10. So here, so remember, if lines are meeting at the same point here, these lines are meeting here. So as they move here, they are all equal. So you have to be equal. So if I do like this, if I estimate, I will just estimate my chest size. So I'm using a 10. I'll just estimate my chest size, which is maybe 10 it's here. So I'll just mark one line, which is one on this side. Then I'll start from the arc, because from here to here it's equal. I should also make it equal here. Then I should try and see if I'm correct. 13.5. Also here, let me mark 13.5. Also in between, let me mark 13.5. So let me try and mark and put a line like this. Then I will try and measure this line. I should see if it will give me something which is enough for me to achieve a tennis dress. It has given me 11. I would ask myself, is 11 enough for me to achieve a tennis dress of size 40 chest? So 11, if we multiply it by 4, which is 44. So if we subtract the 40 that we have, we are going to remain with 4. Is 4 enough for you to use for sewing allowance and so on? For me, it's enough. So I'll just use it like this. For me, it's enough, because I'll just sew here and also here. So for me, it's enough. So here we have managed to find the location of what? Of the chest. We have managed to find the location of the chest. So remember, armhole and chest, they collect. They move together. So you have now found the final destination of the armhole. So you start from the destination. You have to search for the what? For the beginning. That's where you find shoulders. So here the armhole is 20. So 20 will divide it by 2. So which will be what? Will be 10. So let me stand on this destination. Then I have to move what? Forward. I have to move up. So stand from here. Then I'll move, which is 10. Here is 10. So here I'll find my shoulders. I'll find my shoulders. Have you seen? This is where my shoulders are. This is where my shoulders are. So it's up to you now to decide. Are you going to make stripes with a demarcation, or you are going to make a stripe which is continuous, because you have already what found the shoulders. So what you have to do here is to mark the neckline and the armhole, because the neckline is always on the shoulders, and here this is the front and the back, this is the sides. So the neckline, it's always on the front and the back. So me, I'll just start from the shoulder, then I'll come down by 8 inches. I'll come down by 8 inches for the front neck, and I'll come down by 6 inches for the back neck. Because if you are dealing with things which has no joint on the strap, make sure that you make your neck deep, because as you go down, the sizes increases. So if you make your neck small, it won't look good on the back. So here I'm using this one and this one. Then I'll demarcate this into 2. I'll put a midpoint here. Then I'll just, you should use your rulers. Me, I don't know where I've misplaced my ruler, so but I'll try and use my free hand. I'll try and do like this. This is my back neck, and this is my front neck. Then the back neck should be like this. Then these are shoulders. So the armhole, the destination of the armhole is here. Just go like this. Use your armhole rulers. If you go like that, then make it a bit slant like this, whereby going up on the neck like this. So here you have managed to find where the shoulders are. So remember that you start from the shoulder taking your height. So you have to start from the shoulder, take your height. Like this. So me, I'm using a height of 55. So I'll go all the way up to where the 55 is, plus hemming allowance, so I'll make it 56. So this is my 56. So when you do it like this, then you are done with with drafting. So just follow me for more videos. I don't want to make this video so long because we have to replace this pattern. Follow me, I'll teach you more about the replacement of this pattern. Just follow me. So let's cut now.